Assalamu alaikum. In this series, we will discuss about the most repeated board MCQs. In the last video, we discussed up to MCQs number 94. So let's begin. 95. The resolving of electron microscope is option A 1 Armstrong, B 10 Armstrong, C 100 Armstrong, D 1000 Armstrong. So the correct option is B 10 Armstrong. And 1 nanometer is equal to 10 Armstrong. Number 96. The resolving power of human eye is option A 650 micron, B 100 micron, C 1000 micron, D 10 micron. So the correct option is B 100 micron. 97. Resolving power of microscope means the capacity to option A magnify the image, B distinguish between two organelles, C distinguish between two objects, distinguish between two close points. So the correct option is D distinguish between two close points. Number 98. Chromosomes cannot be stained with A hematoxylin, B carmine, C fulgin stain, D crystal violet. The correct option is D crystal violet. Chromosome cannot be stained with crystal violet dye. 99. Three-dimensional structure of protein can be elucidated by using option A spectrophotometer, B electron microscope, C X-ray crystallography, D stereo microscope. So the correct option is C X-ray crystallography. Number 100. Intake chloroplast can be isolated from green leaves in option A acetone, B ethanol, C any alcohol, D sugar solution. So the correct option is sugar solution. Isolation of individual organelles from cell homogeneity is achieved through option A X-ray diffraction, B chromatography, C differential centrifugation, D employment of different solvents. So the correct option is differential centrifugation. C is the correct option. 102. The source of light in electron microscope is A normal daylight, B ultraviolet light, C X-ray, D electron beam. So the correct option is D. The source of light in electron microscope is electron beams. 103. The segmentation constant of a subcellular particle is expressed in option A gram per ml, B newtons, C daltons, D Swedberg units. The correct option is D Swedberg unit. 104. The interface nucleus has option A non-porous single membrane, B a non-porous double membrane, C a porous double membrane, D a concentric ring of many membranes. So the correct option is C a porous double membrane. 105. Histone proteins are synthesized in option A G1 phase, B S phase, C G2 phase, D M phase. Correct option is S phase. Histone proteins are synthesized in S phase of cell cycle. 106. Sequence of cell cycle is option A G2S G1M, option B M S G2 G1, C G1 S G2 M, D M G2 S G1. Correct option is C G1 S G2 M. So C is the correct option. 107. Which is the shortest phase in the cell cycle? Option A G1, option B G2, option C S, option D M. The correct option is M. M is the shortest phase in the cell cycle. Typically, if we divide 24 hours time for a typical cell division, the shortest phase in life cycle is M phase. 1 hour G2, 8 hours S, 8 hours G1, 11 hours. The time varies for cell to cell, but it is a typical distribution for a typical cell. 108. In cell cycle, DNA replication takes place in option A S phase, option B G1 phase, option C G2 phase, option D M phase. So the correct option is S phase. 109. DNA synthesis means replication occurs in option A prometaphase, B prophase, C interphase, D telophase. So the correct option is interphase. 110. The longest phase in M phase of cell cycle is option A prometaphase, B prophase, C anaphase, D telophase. So the correct option is B prophase. Intracellular components are not found in prokaryotes. Option A B. Lower plants. C. Higher plants. D. Eukaryotes. So intracellular compartments are not found in prokaryotes. So option A is the correct option. 112. Mitosis take place. Option A, only in diploid individual. B, only in diploid individuals. C, both A and B. D, in prokaryotes only. So the correct option is A and B. 113. The centromere does not divide at option A, first meiotic division. B, second meiotic division. C, meiotic division. D, mitotic division. So the correct option is A, first meiotic division. 114. How many mitotic division must occur in a cell of fruit tip to form 128 cells? Option A, 128. Option B, 127. C, 64. D, 32. So the correct option is B, 127, because 1 is the existing cell from which the remaining are made. 115. In plant cell, cytokinesis occurs by option A, furrowing. Option B, cell plate formation. C, invagination. D, interclinal division. The correct option is cell plate formation. 116. Spindle fibers unite with which structure of the chromosomes? Option A, chromocenter. B, chromomere. C, kinetochore. D, centriole. Correct option is kinetochore. Option C is the correct option.